Hi everyone. Hi. Welcome back. Good morning. First of all, I want to wish you happy holidays. I hope it will be a beautiful time for you. I'm looking forward to next week celebrating everything with my family and taking things slow. I've been taking things slow already in December, and the last couple of months I created these artworks and they were all about taking control back and having control over my artworks. But now I feel a lot more free and more intuitive. And so many of you requested for me to do a botanical again. So let's start doing that today. And if you follow my newsletter, then you already know a couple of my plans for 2025. But one of them is also I want to learn a new skill. And that skill is I want to learn how to draw. I can draw, but I can't draw. And so I'm using Craftsy for that. Craftsy, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Craftsy is your creative platform for a lot of new skills. They have numerous of classes on numerous of creative topics. And of course, drawing is one of them. I saw one class by Jordan and it's called Jump into Drawing. Well, I want to jump into drawing, so that will be the first class I will follow. I will update you how that goes. If you want to learn new skills too, new creative skills, I have a beautiful offer for you. The first 1,000 people that click the link in the description or scan this QR code will get premium access to Craftsy for a year for only $1.49. That is a steal. I can't wait to get started with this painting. Let's create a botanical today.